Samsung packed features into One UI 8.5 and 9.0 that most people will never find. Not because they're hard to use, because they're hidden. Here are the ones actually worth knowing about. 2 modes available. Basic blocks known ad-heavy apps automatically. Intelligent mode goes further, analyzing notifications in real time to detect and block ads before they reach you. Turn on Intelligent for the best experience. By default, on-screen pop-ups, volume controls, notifications, copied text disappear in seconds. Change this to 10 seconds and you'll never miss a notification banner again. Small change, immediately useful. 2 features here worth enabling. Captions transcribes your call in real time directly on screen, perfect for loud environments or anyone with hearing difficulties. Scam detection, currently rolling out with One UI 9, uses AI to analyze what unknown callers say and alerts you with a warning and beep if a scam is detected. Powered by Google. English only for now, but genuinely useful. Keep your phone unlocked automatically under trusted conditions, connected to your smartwatch, at home, or at a specific location. No constant PIN or biometric needed when you're in a trusted environment. And if you ever need instant maximum security, open your power menu and tap Lockdown mode. Your phone locks completely, biometrics disabled, fully encrypted, just like a restart without actually restarting. If your phone stays locked for 72 hours straight, it restarts automatically. This encrypts the device fully and limits notifications until unlocked, a quiet but powerful security net if your phone is ever lost or stolen. If you're transferring to a new Samsung device, unlock your Secure folder before opening Smart Switch. Otherwise, it transfers as grayed out and inaccessible on your new phone. Unlock it first, then run Smart Switch. Everything moves over cleanly. Long press and double press can be customized to launch anything: AI Select, Perplexity, camera modes, privacy display, flashlight, or any app. Most people never change the default. Customizing this saves time every single day. Now, when editing any photo, tap the 4-circle icon and Object Eraser appears. Circle anything you want removed. Samsung fills it in automatically. Clean, fast, and built-in. No third-party app needed. Enable Switch to Mobile Data when Wi-Fi signal is weak, enable Switch to Better Wi-Fi Network automatically, and turn on Turn off Wi-Fi automatically when away from saved networks, so your phone stops searching constantly and draining battery in the background. 3 options: Standard, Light, and a performance-focused mode. Light mode prioritizes battery life and cooling over processing speed. After several days of testing, daily tasks feel completely unaffected. Battery lasts noticeably longer. For gaming specifically, manage performance separately inside Game Booster while keeping Light mode active everywhere else. 10 features Samsung never put in the spotlight, but all of them genuinely improve daily use. Which one surprised you most? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more hidden Samsung features you actually need to know about.